What's up guys, Aiden here, Aerations Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, welcome to another rainy Friday here with Derek at DeBloois Landscaping. We got some wheelbarrows, some green cans, some tools here, We are gonna go do some work, I guess, just some work before the job, right? So yeah. It's kind of warmish. It's coldish with the rain, so
it's muggy.
Yeah, that's the word. So hopefully you guys want to follow along, and I'm going to try to keep the lens as clean as possible, but forgive me if the footage gets a little weird looking because it is raining. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The Home Depot, we got bushes for an install, tools, etc. We got the trailer. I just rented out the aerator, topsoil. Got Derek over there strapping everything up, and yeah, it's looking good, looking good. We're gonna head to the property that's getting aerated, and then we're off to our install. So hope you guys are enjoying the updates. I'm gonna get you guys some footage doing the install when we hit the job. See you guys there. See you there.
See ya.
What's going on, guys? We got Derek and I here. We got a bunch of flowers in the back seat. We're headed to an install now. We got all of our plants like you saw at the Home Depot. Went to a nursery, got all of our flowers, and we're pulling up to the property right here. We also have a spring aeration, so Derek's gonna drive down the end of the block, turn around, and we're gonna get rocking and rolling. Right, Derek?
Right.
So we finished up the plant install job. I know the time lapse went a little quicker than I thought. Then we moved on to my buddy Garrett's house. We're actually going over there to do the landscaping. Sorry, this is my second or third take on the voiceover thing. I haven't really done it very much. So as you can see now, we are working on the landscaping there. It is a super fast time lapse. So let's continue with the video. What's going on, guys? Sorry if the audio isn't great. I'm finishing this video out on my phone. I'm walking over to an install we did about a month ago. Actually, it was about 3 weeks ago. So I'm going to check on a progress update over there. So I'll give you some B-roll for that, and we'll close out the video right here, right now. Let's get to it. This is this bed. We didn't do anything crazy here. There's just some begonias here. But here's our bed we installed. We have our row of red begonias that go across the backside. Actually, they're alternate. If you look very close, you can see they're the red ones and then the green ones. So they're actually alternate. Then we have a row of vinca in the front. Nothing crazy, nothing alternate. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxwoods we replaced. So this is what that final landscape looks like. Looks real good. These boxwoods will get big. These flat flowers is just for this year, and then we'll get replaced next year with some new flowers. Oh, that's really all I have for you today. Sorry it was a short one. I'll tell you what happened. Actually, when I was showing you what exactly happened with Derek and I on that day, it was raining, and a lot of my time lapses for the GoPro were set to run really, really fast. So a lot of my time lapses went a lot faster. So the videos always end up being shorter than you think. Film a lot more than you think you can need, because you can always get rid of it in editing. That's a tip for you if you're out there making videos. So give you guys an update there, some B-roll from that. Did Garrett's house. We did that install originally. What else did I have for you guys? We were at Home Depot getting materials at the nursery. Nothing really crazy. We just had a really good time. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.